What's going on? Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. Got a 2011 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited. Good looking bike. Looked it over real good. There's a few little very small chips on the front of the fairing. That's about the extent of it. Vivid black paint. Front tire looks good. ABS brakes, cruise control, factory security. Adjustable wind deflectors. Got highway pegs installed. 103-inch fuel injected twin cam, 6-speed transmission, and a set of Vance & Hines slip-on pipes. It's got the driver's backrest. The Limited's got the heated grips. This one's got the Harley 3-pouch setup. It is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. It's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We test rode it, made sure everything was working correctly, and gave it a professional detail. It's got the receiver hitch and light hookups if you want to pull a trailer. It's got the heel toe shifter. I noticed that the two little pegs are kind of mismatched. Bike's got 20,244 miles. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 888-400-1151. You can also check out our website at cleanharleys.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures. You can also see the rest of our inventory. We do offer finance and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. The freedom to choose.